In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a link on Weebly in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to enhance your website by adding essential links, you've come to the right place. We're going to walk through this process smoothly, ensuring you can follow along no matter your skill level. First up, head to Weebly's website. This is where the magic begins for building and customizing your online presence. Once there, look for the login button, usually found at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email. Make sure you type it in carefully, you don't want to get stuck on the first step. After that, hit next. Moving on, it's time to enter your password. As a side note, if you're having trouble remembering it, using a password manager can save you a lot of hassle. Once you've typed it in, click on log in. This will take you to your Weebly account's dashboard, your starting point for all things website related. Next, you want to focus on your site overview. Click on overview to get a clear picture of your current setup. From there, look for the edit site button. Clicking this will take you directly into the editor where you can start making changes to your website. Now, if you have a button on your page where you'd like to add a link, that's where we'll start. Select that button by clicking on it. You'll notice some options pop up, including a link icon. Click on this link option. You're now ready to continue with the next steps. From here, choose the Select from Options button. This will let you decide where your link will direct your visitors. Among the options, you'll see Website. Select this as the destination for your link. It's the standard choice when linking to outside resources or pages on your own site. Next, it's time to paste your link. Make sure you've copied it from the source you want your site visitors to reach and paste it into the designated field. Here's a simple tip. Double check the URL for typos to ensure none of your visitors end up on a broken link. An important detail to consider is whether the link should open in a new window. If you decide it should, tick the corresponding box. This feature is quite handy as it helps your visitors keep your website open while exploring the link destination. Finally, your changes won't take effect until you click on Publish. This crucial step ensures everything you've done gets saved and goes live for your